So this is what I'm looking at today on good. As I said yesterday, I hope you guys followed my analysis, but if you do, definitely we make money on gold yesterday. I bought gold somewhere here in the morning yesterday. I was supposed to buy it here, but I saw it late, so I bought it somewhere here. Then go fly like 100 and something pips. So when I did my analysis, it was somewhere here when I did my analysis. So I told you guys that nobody should think of selling gold yesterday because it might not be advisable. You wait for change of character before you think of selling. So I told you guys that if gold come back to this zone, you guys should buy. So I don't know whether any of you bought gold, and if any of you did, it flies up to over 100 pips again. And I talked of change of character yesterday, but this gold didn't take out this low before it spike up and drop. But if you pay attention to my teachings, I taught you guys about E plus E. There is engulfing here, and this particular candlestick broke this and also formed a new engulfing here. And on 4 hours time frame, there is engulfing there as well. So when this particular candle rejected to this engulfing, you should be selling here, and this drop over 100 pips because I saw this yesterday as well. And if you are waiting for a change of character, which gold broke this high and broke this low, which is this change of character, if you are using this particular candle and this particular candle, this change of character on this 1 hour time frame. So what zone are you going to look to sell gold? Definitely it will be from this zone to this zone, which if you start layering, if you enter different positions, your first entry will be here, and you also enter some positions here. It didn't take you out to where your stop loss will be, so this gold dropped like 60 pips before you started buying. So definitely this is also a win because I didn't trade this because it happened at night. But if I sold gold here, it dropped 60 pips, definitely I'll close some of my positions and move my stop loss to my entry point, which is I will make money out of this trade, and the rest of the position will only take out on break even. So it still played out. So today, this is what I'm looking at. Now, gold broke this resistance. Sorry, yeah, broke this resistance. The resistance turned back to support. They come back to it. I didn't trade it. It was at night. It happened like by 4. It happened by 4 a.m. So I've not worked up then, but it also flies. So my next expectation from gold now is to take out this high, then come back to this zone for me to look for a buy here. So that's my expectation on gold now. So take out, then come back, we buy from here. Then stop loss will be here. And again, if gold take out this high without coming back, if gold take out this without coming back, then let's wait for something like this. Then move up, come back, then we use here as our entry point for buy. But I believe that whatever makes gold to take out this or any of this side, definitely it will come back. It will definitely come back for this zone before continue moving. But if anything happens, gold can do whatever it likes and take out this high. Did it come back? then do any retracement to somewhere here. Then if it broke, then let's wait for the come back to this. Then we take a buy for somewhere here. So this is what I'm expecting gold to do. But let's see how it will play out. But this is my expectation this morning, guys. So just pay attention, and you can see that this zone is also a trend line. Like I say, trend line is on a trend line level. Definitely, if we go take out this, it will come back to this trend line. It will definitely come back to this trend line before moving up. Or if you draw it this way, you see the same thing. See the same thing. It's going to still come back to the trend line then before moving up. So this is what I'm expecting gold to do. So just watch out, guys. Definitely, what I just explained to you now, it will do it. If you didn't do what I just explained to you now, then this is next thing gold will do. The next thing that will happen here will be coming down and taking out this low, then come back to this and continue moving, but not exactly here. It might wait for it to somewhere here before it will start moving. If you didn't do what I just explained to you right now for uptrend, then it's going to do this for a downtrend. Already it took out here yesterday at night, then coming back to this, taking out this low, it means that gold have done change of character or shift of structure. Then coming back to this area, or it might also test this one, it will do. But if you do this, if I'm to sell, I will pay attention to this zone. So this narrow for sell or this narrow for buy, definitely one of them will play out today. One of them will definitely play out. Okay, they have news, but before then, let's see what this will do. We'll have news by 1:30, but let's see what it will do. But what I just explained to you right now, one of them will definitely play out today. So pay attention and follow the mapping, guys. We have retail sales today. Yeah. And what again? Building permit. So it's by 1:30. So let's see how this mapping will play out, guys. Stay safe and God bless.